Okay, so here goes folding the Jerusalem design, or the Middle Eastern kind of architectural cityscape design. I'm just going to go ahead and press forward these foreground shapes first. As you can see, just progressively pushing from behind while holding the card down. Always do a kind of pinch technique, which will help you isolate and then coordinate all these areas together. I've got a bit of a stand in front of me, so it's not the easiest way to fold, but you get the general idea. And then when you get to these stages at the back, you just need to isolate them and fold them individually up to a certain degree of fold, and then go back to the ones that are less developed, these areas here in the foreground on the other side. It's mainly just trying to do everything in unison, so not overfolding any particular area to begin with. Sometimes you get a tiny bit of a bridging when the cut is not perfect, so just make sure that you keep an eye on those areas and never force the paper. So progressively getting closer and closer to that 90-degree stage, and always keeping an eye out for anything that kind of snags or gets left behind. But once you get to about this stage, you can just grab your whole card with both hands and almost kind of gently caress it into its final position. And once you get to about this stage and you see everything is kind of semi-developed, you might as well just be brave and go ahead and fold down fully to the full collapse stage. And all that remains is just to press down and smooth out all the creases so they become more pronounced, and then you should have the finished result. Have fun with it. Take care and happy Christmas. Bye-bye.